Hello my dear student, welcome to KK Chauhan Vision. Today we will do a topic reflection of sound. This topic is from lesson sound. Let's start. According to law of reflection of sound, the direction in which the sound is incident and reflected make equal angle with the normal to the reflecting surface, and the threes. What are threes? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal. These are three. Three lies in the same plane. Clear? This is a solid surface and a sound wave is strike on this surface, and after striking it reflect in the same medium. Then the incident ray of sound, the reflected ray of sound, and the normal, both three lies in the same plane, and the angle of incident and the angle of reflection both are equal. Okay. For hearing a distinct sound, the time interval between the original sound, the incident ray of sound, and the reflected ray of sound must be at least 0.1 second. ओके. अगर हम एक दूर से आती हुई आवाज़ को साफ सुनना चाहते हैं तो जो ओरिजिनल साउंड जो हमारे ईयर तक आ रही है वो, और जो रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है, जो साउंड आ रही है वो, और जो रिफ्लेक्ट होके हमारे ईयर तक आ रही है वो, दोनों के बीच में 0.1 सेकेंड का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड इज़ यूज्ड. कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? इन मेगाफोन्स, हॉर्न्स, ट्रम्पेट, शहनाई. सम प्रॉपर्टीज सच एज पिच, लाउडनेस एंड क्वालिटी are determined by the corresponding wave properties. Okay. अब हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे इसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डज साउंड follow the same laws of reflection as light does? Yes. Sound follows the same laws of reflection as light does. Sound is reflected from the surface of a solid. What are the laws of sound, reflection of sound? First law is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. I told to you. And the incident wave, reflected wave, and the normal lies in the same plane. An obstacle of larger size which may be polished or rough. It is not compulsion the object should be polished. It may be rough. Is needed for the reflection of a sound. Next question. When a sound is reflected from a distant object, an echo is produced. Let the distance between the reflecting surface and the source of sound production remain the same. Do you hear echo sound on a hotter day? Yes, because the speed of sound is more on a hotter day than on a colder day. Next question. Give two applications of reflection of sound. First application is, during night the birds feel their way by the reflection of sound, and birds also catch their prey. Okay. During night, ultrasound is used to break small stones formed in the kidney into fine grains. जो किडनी में स्टोन होते हैं उनको छोटे छोटे पीसेस में तोड़ने के लिए भी अल्ट्रासाउंड का यूज़ किया जाता है. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.